So as a recruiter today, all that we have practiced, I'm going to ask you questions. There are going to be answers as blueprint that are going to come up on your screen as soon as I ask you the question. You can go ahead and pause the video, speak the answer, and after you have prepped, record yourself and see for your room of improvement challenges, or maybe if you have improved or how are you performing. Ready? Let's start. Why do you wish to become a cabin crew? What are the responsibilities of a cabin crew?